Let's talk about natural oral health. My name is Christina. I'm an Ayurvedic holistic health coach with Headwater Sage, and oral health is one of the main topics that we talk about in our health coaching sessions because our oral health care is so important, but there are so many chemicals that are in the products that we're using when it comes to our oral health, right? So for example, toothpaste can have things like synthetic dyes in there. There's some sort of sugar in there. Fluoride is a hormone disruptor. And before you come at me, I know that fluoride is for cavity protection, etc. And what do you do for cavities? There is another alternative. It's a natural occurring mineral called hydroxyapatite, and it is in other toothpaste, especially the Ayurveda brand toothpaste. It does taste different, so you have to get used to that. It's not the same sort of toothpaste that we're used to, because the toothpaste that we are used to, they're full of chemicals. They're full of synthetic flavoring and sugars, etc. So keep that in mind. It doesn't taste the same, but it cleans better and it's so much better for you. Another thing that I recommend for my clients for natural oral health care is to take a copper tongue scraper and use that copper tongue scraper at least once a day, especially in the morning. That is going to allow you to scrape the biofilm, this toxic residue, off on your tongue. And a lot of my clients will say, well, I brushed my tongue, it should be fine, right? Well, think of it this way. If we just brush our tongue, it's like brushing a dirty carpet. You're just pushing the stuff into the carpet fibers. Same thing with the tongue. There's a lot of grooves and nicks and crannies in there, right? Nooks and crannies that are in the tongue. And so you're just pushing that biofilm, that toxic residue, into the tongue. So tongue scraper, 7 swipes or so until it comes out clear. Trust me, you're going to want to use it. And after you see it the first time, it's like, oh my gosh, why wasn't I using this before? Flossing, I would look for some bamboo fiber natural floss picks. I also use a bamboo toothbrush, so I'm not getting microplastics in my body. There are natural mouthwashes that you can use as well. Otherwise, coconut oil is a really good alternative. Sometimes that's a weird texture at first, but your mouth is going to feel so clean. And then once we get used to the different textures, the different tastes, it's going to be just fine. So give it a try. Try some natural oral health care and let me know what you think.